Hello friends, I'm come back and show you how you can pop up allow on your iPhone. I mean on your Safari browser. So if you want to learn on these topics, you can just stay with me. Otherwise, you can just skip on this video and just let's start. First of all, if you want to enable a pop-up on your Safari browser, so you should go like settings tab here, and there is showing many feature, I mean many options. And if you're using same iPhone model, then you can see same UI interface. And if you using another iPhone, I mean another model and another version, software version, then it will be little bit changed, but look like similar. Okay, so if you want to pop up allow, you can just tap on the Safari browser settings, then Safari browser. Now I just look and find the block pop-ups option. Yes, I got it. Block pop-ups option. If you want to enable, then you just tap on the switch button here in the showing right corner. Then I just tap this. So then now enable the pop-up setting. So that's it, and the pretty easy. And let me know if you face any problem. And thanks. Bye bye.